Hi everybody, welcome back to my Fleatale finds. So here I am today. I have purchased many trays from a collector that I know and have sold most of the pieces to other collectors. But before I send them out, I wanted to show you the items that I have purchased and tell you a little bit about them. So let's start with this magnificent piece first. So this is sort of my turquoise tray. These are, I believe, turquoise beads. This looks like it was done, it looks like it's Czech, and looks like it was done probably during the 1930s. I mean, just look at all of the detail that's in this. And you can also remove the chain and wear it as a clip. And look at how the design goes through with the chain. You just don't see pieces like this around very often in a collection like this. Then here is not turquoise, but turquoise glass. Another amazing vintage find. And this is how, kind of reminds me of sort of like, well, it's a blue mottled glass in a turquoise color. And then this is the end of the necklace, but that is just that color near the face. And then there's a bracelet that goes with it. And here's with a little tassel dangle on the end, so it actually goes like this. Wow. Imagine wearing them together. And let me see, here's a dress clip, a fur clip, because of the prongs. This one is not signed, but has, and although it was probably made in the 50s, it has sort of that tutti frutti look going on. It has the look of like the 20s kind of to me. Really spectacular. Then we get to this Victorian piece. So this is a Victorian, it's a bypass, but also could have been worn as a wedding or engagement bracelet. And it has little turquoise embellishments on it. And they're done in gold filled. And so many times you would see two of them. And then here's an Austro-Hungarian piece. Really nice detail, just missing a teeny little stone, which should be easy to put back. A lot of really nice detail to everything. Then here this is turquoise on copper. A nice big chunk of turquoise on copper. Then here is wonderful. They almost look like butterfly wings. They're just really nice, interesting design. These are actually Yves Saint Laurent. And then these look like turquoise and garnet. They're all glass. They're in a hoop design. Then there is this, which sort of to me looks like a Shriner piece, but it's actually marked Déposé, which is a French trademark. So this was made in France. And as I look closer at it, and this is also a fur clip, it has just the fine workmanship and subtle sparkle and dazzle and just quietly elegant look of a piece made in France. And then there is this, which is really unusual. It's sterling silver, and it's turquoise, and it's Austrian crystal, and it's set in sterling silver, and has the look of diamonds. Then there is this piece here, which is art glass, and with these wonderful metal beads and these bezel set cabochons. And completed with this clip. And then there's this, which to me looks like a fine piece of jewelry. It looks like a turquoise and sparkly Austrian crystal. And then finally, there is this magnificent piece. Okay, this magnificent piece. This is, when would you say this was from?
20s?
The 1920s. And just, again, look at how everything matches. And while I'm showing you this in its wonderful color and splendor, I'm just going to show you this adorable little cherub pin.
Also Austro-Hungarian.
Also Austro-Hungarian, and a really nice look to it. I hope you've enjoyed my Fleatale finds, and I look forward to seeing you back with my next group of jewelry. Thank you. Bye.